Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently is pushing down. It's basically doing what we wanted it to do. After yesterday's move to the upside, we did highlight the following yesterday and over the week. So first of all, the idea was that price peaked here in a B wave, and that view was going to remain the primary wave count as long as price would stay below 28,050, which it clearly did. So no change in wave count required. We could count a 5-wave move down of this high, which was made on the 28th of May. 5 waves down here, already throughout the last week, I highlighted that after 5 waves down, we get a larger relief rally, which we did in an A, B, C structure, and price reached the resistance area and it reached the 1-to-1 ratio if you measure wave A to C, or was it just the 61.8? Let me just check that. Certainly one of the targets we highlighted. I think it was the 61.8. Yeah, 61.8 extension got rejected and is pushing down. Did highlight the relevance of this resistance area here. Price couldn't get above it and it was moving up in a corrective fashion in an ABC structure. And we were able to count the lower degree wave structure pretty clearly actually. So down here, the idea was maybe one more high, that could be it. It did push higher and it followed our count because the rejection was quite strong. So explored yesterday on Telegram and Discord after my last video if this was the last push to the upside due to the strong rejection. And yes, we then had that signal by breaking below the trend line. It's sort of following through to the downside. So it is very much possible that this was now the top of the wave 2, and against yesterday's high, which was at 27,470, I would now focus on the downside. I can now count, by the way, let me hide those subwaves. We don't need them anymore. They might just sort of block your view. So I can now count a 5-wave move to the downside. Well, I can't count a 5-wave move down yet. I can count 3 waves yet at the moment. So did a bit of work today and tried to figure out the subwave counts. I can count a 1, 2, 3. I think this could now be the wave 4. So, and then if we draw the resistance area here onto the chart, let's check that. So obviously as I said, against yesterday's high, the focus can be on lower, but it's already a first warning if price breaks above 27,050 that something more bullish could be going on. So the idea would now be, okay, if we now are in this third wave to the downside, this could develop as an impulse. So the 5-wave move here could be the first one of the third wave. And then we just take it from there. So after one more wave down, I think again, similar to what we did here, we might expect a deeper retracement to the upside. So it's going to be interesting today. I finally get some movement. Now to confirm this view that we really are in a third wave, price needs to break below the wave 1 low at $26,500. If we get that, then we should be heading down lower, and a very, very important support level that I'm watching is this one down here around 25,820. So this is the area where we had a low on the 25th of May and on the 12th of May, and then we've got the $25,300 level, the 50% Fibonacci retracement. So overall, if you zoom out, not much happened. We are still moving in the range. We really need eventually to break below that 12th of May low. Until then, it's still a broader range. So things can change quite quickly still. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.